Experience fast-paced driving action, whether you're by yourself or with a friend. Something in the way? Check this out! With the Mechanism wheels, your movement options are limitless. From the brushless motor to the front axle suspension, every inch of the S1 is jam-packed with advanced technologies. On the battlefield, dominate your competition with the infrared beam. Use mystery bonus abilities to get an edge, like this. And if that's not enough, experience real rapid-fire action with the Gel Bead Blaster. Pressure-sensitive sensors let the S1 feel every impact. In a tight spot? No problem. Outwit your foe by coding a custom move. With the RoboMaster S1, education and entertainment become one and the same.
Chip is a robotic dog that's much more than just a cool gadget. Chip is an interactive pet that's there to greet you at the door. With the smart band, Chip recognizes who his owner is.
Hey, have you seen my other slipper? Have you seen my other slipper?
And shows affection to them when near. Chip is obedient and can follow commands. But he also learns new things, so you can teach him tricks. And the smarter Chip becomes, the more badges he earns. When you like what you see, just press the like button on the band, which can encourage him to behave. Or be a little mischievous. Your choices change Chip's behavior and shapes his personality, so that no two Chips are ever alike. Chip is a connected experience. He has a translator.
What is a chip?
So you can understand his thoughts. He comes with his own smart ball, so you can play fetch and stay active together. He also has sensors, so he can maneuver around obstacles with ease. And with the mobile app, you can feed Chip, which shows you care. And that's important, because when you're in need, no matter it big or small, he's there for you. With his beacon sense technology, Chip is fully aware of his surroundings.
Seriously, no one's seen it? This is like the 5th time.
He even knows how to return to his bed when it's time for a charge, so he never runs out of energy. Chip is a smart device. Chip is a robot. Chip is a dog. But most importantly, Chip is a friend. The best kind.
So we are going to learn some basic tricks that Turbo Dave will gladly follow. One of the motions Turbo Dave responds to is a swipe motion. By swiping your hand to the left or the right, it will cause Turbo Dave to turn to either side. Turbo Dave will better register your command if your hand is flat and spread out wide like this, covering more physical space. Pushing towards or pulling away from Turbo Dave will also trigger a response from him. Other motions that trigger a goofy response from Turbo Dave includes tilting him upside down and shaking him up and down. And if you shake him too much, he'll spin around and fall down. What a silly guy! You can also make Turbo Dave go bananas by lightly tapping the front and back of his head just above his goggles. Turbo Dave also responds to head taps.
La bougie!
Turbo Dave comes with 4 different non-app play modes. You can access these different play modes by turning the wheel on his Turbo Pack. As you turn the wheels, a new color appears in the center of his Turbo Pack.
Okay.
Each color represents a different way to play with Turbo Dave. Blue indicates the default mode. In default mode, he responds to swipes, pokes, and taps.
Okay.
Orange indicates guard mode, where Turbo Dave will be on the lookout for any unwanted visitors in the area. White indicates free roam, where Turbo Dave will explore the room he's in. But be careful, he tends to be mischievous and wander out of your sight. Pink indicates the dance mode, where you and Turbo Dave can have your very own dance party.
La la